Dragons eat noodles on Tuesdays. Oh, hi everybody. Want to hear a story? Great. Once upon a time. The end. What? Not enough of a story for you? Fine. Let's try this. So there's this kid and he gets eaten by a dragon. The end. What? You still don't like it? Shh, Rooney. Maybe I can help you. How can you help me? Look, no one wants a story about dragons eating people. Fine, Mr. Smart Guy. Do you have a better idea? Maybe the dragon doesn't eat the kid. Maybe they're friends and go on cool adventures. There, that's nice. Nice is boring. No, the dragon definitely needs to eat somebody. How about a story without a dragon? Like what? Like this. Boy finds a toy. Boy loses toy. Toy meets girl. Girl loves toy. Toy is happy. Boy gets a new toy. I don't know. That story really needs a hungry dragon. Dragon stories usually don't end well. But if you insist, I insist. Okay, but be careful what you wish for. Once upon a time, a cowardly knight came upon a hungry dragon. Please don't eat me. Sorry, pal, I skipped breakfast. The dragon opened his jaws wide to eat the knight when suddenly a brave damsel burst from the shadows. You brute! Please call me Dennis. Put me down! I don't care what they call you. You put that knight down. Now! Come on, I'm starving. But the damsel was not only brave, she was also very smart. Look, Dennis, everyone knows dragons only eat noodles on Tuesdays. And today is Tuesday. You're right. Oh, I'm so embarrassed. Damsels rule! I'm out of here. The end. That story is ridiculous. Noodles? Come on. I think it's fantastic you wanted a dragon story. Hey, what's that? Oh no, it looks like Dennis from the story. Dennis looks hungry. He is. Don't worry, it's Tuesday. You'll be fine. Oh, today is Wednesday. Is it? Yup. How about that? The end. It smells like day-old noodles in here. Oh, be quiet. Wait, here's a story for you. There are these two guys who escaped from the belly of a dragon. I like it. Until next time, dragons eat noodles on Tuesdays.